Hey there, Sylvia Gorenszach here, and I am a Gel Moment independent distributor. How is everybody doing today? So Halloween is coming sooner than later, and I wanted to do a couple of fun designs for you. So today we're going to do Frankenstein and the Bride of Frankenstein. So let's get right to it. We're going to start off with Frankenstein himself. So let's start off with the hair. And I have Raven's Kiss here and a medium-sized dotting tool to outline the little bit of black here that we're going to put here. And then we're going to use a detailed brush to bring it down into some points to kind of mimic the hairline. Okay, then we'll take our detailer brush here, put it into the Raven's Kiss, and just kind of draw little triangles. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm going to give this a cure underneath the lamp. Next, we're going to take that same detailer brush and draw a line on his forehead for that scar. So first I'm going to draw a small line, just apply a light pressure here. Now I am going to place this under the lamp for 10 seconds because I'm going to be doing a flash cure. And the flash cure is just so that it sets the polish, so that if I don't like the cross lines that I'm doing, that it will set the line so that I can at least wipe it off easily. Okay, so that's good enough here. And another reason why I wanted to cure that is that when I drag lines perpendicular to this line, I didn't want this polish to drag with it and bleed into those lines. So it just kind of gives you a crisper lines that way. So now I am just going to draw diagonal lines. Okay, we'll give that a cure. All right, next we're going to do the eyes, and I have some Lovey-Dovey here with using the large dotting tool. Let's draw two eyes here, roughly the same size, close to each other because they're going to be outlined in black anyhow. That's my plan for it, and we'll give this a full cure. All right, now I have a smaller dotting tool here, and let's give this guy some little eyeballs. Okay, so we're not going to cure that yet because there's another step that we can do, and I'm going to take this detailer brush here and we're going to outline his eyes. First, I'm going to put a line across his eye as his eyebrow. All right, let's give that a cure. All right, let's give this guy a nose and a mouth. All right, so let's give that a cure. Next, let's work on the Bride of Frankenstein. So she's got a pretty big head of hair. I have topped up my Raven's Kiss with a little bit more polish here. I'm using the detailer brush this time. You can use the dotting tool, whatever you're more comfortable with. And we're just going to draw the outline of her hair. I want to make sure get the apex of my nail. There we go. And we're do an outline around, and then we'll just fill it in with the Raven's Kiss. Okay, just gonna check on that line one more time. Looks pretty good, and we will give this a cure. All right, let's work on the eyes next. So I have Lovey-Dovey here, and I'm using a medium dotting tool, and we're not gonna have the eyes as close as Frankenstein's here. We'll give that a full cure. All right, next up, I'm going to take this really fine dotting tool here to draw the pupils in the eyes and her eyelids. Now we're going to give our Bride of Frankenstein some bright red lips. I'm using Strawberry Daquiri here and using the same small dotting tool. Now we will give her the notorious white stripes through her hair. I'm using the detailer brush here. I did use my cleanser pad to clean the Raven's Kiss off before I put the white on. And it's just do squiggles. And do you know what time it is? It is time to put Clearly Frisky on top of the nail art. I always like to finish off all nail art with Clearly Frisky because it just fills in all those little bumps and ridges and makes for a very smooth transition and a smooth looking manicure. I love our gel polish. Oh my gosh. So I'm a little obsessed, and I'm obsessed with nail art. Can you tell? But this is really fun for Halloween, simple to do. So stay tuned for my next one because I might have something more in store. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao for now.